Nanbang sewing machine. NB-781D computerized direct drive flathead buttonholing sewing machine. The machine is our company patented product, adopting direct drive servo motor, speed and brake controlled by computer, compared with traditional mechanical structure. It can save most of mechanical transmit work, also with advantage in low noise, light vibration, efficient, fast and easy. Machine needle rotating gear and pinion are both produced by our factory, patented technology. No need to grinding process. Upper and lower axle supply oil synchronously with more steady oil mass. The lower knife will stop cutting immediately when thread was broken in sewing process. Foot controller can stop sewing urgently by back treadle, low-speed needle working by middle treadle, and high-speed needle working by front treadle. The product fit for knitting fabric, heavy-duty fabric, and light-duty fabric, etc. It can sew lock stitch and triangular stitch. The maximum length can be reached 38 mm. Nanbang sewing machine. Just do better.